Hola, welcome back. Today's video is inspired by 2019 that is quickly approaching. I would like to begin with saying thank you. Thank you for rocking with me for 2018. Thank you for your continuous support. Thank you for your positive feedback. Thank you for making my 2018 a great year, career-wise. I'm not where I want to be, but I am continuing to strive and move forward. And it's because of you. So thank you for that. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you all know the routine. Make sure you subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And make sure by the time you have finished my video that you have clicked the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. This is a New Year's Eve look. I used the Jaclyn Hill Times Morph palette for the look on the eyes. And this lip, I decided to try Joe Michelle's Lippies, and I love this shade. I don't want to keep you. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, you know what to do. Don't turn it off. Just keep watching. I'm beginning with my Jaclyn Hill palette and using a deep rust color. I am working it in as my transition color. I have the older palette, so I don't have names on any of these colors. So I'm working it in, and I'm only showing you one eye. So now let's deepen that transition color just a little bit more. And now I'm taking Sketch by MAC and deepening the outer V and working that in to the crease. And now I'm cutting the crease. I am using my Shape Tape Tan Sand Concealer to cut the crease. And I'm getting the lid ready. And now let's blend that outer V just a little bit more using the Sketch. And then I wanted to deepen that outer V, so I'm using Carbon by MAC. No, I'm sorry, this is Sephora's Matte Black. And now this is another shade. This is the second shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is a shimmer shade. So now I had to blend that outer V using that black just a little bit deeper. And now I'm taking e.l.f. gel liner, and I am using it to do a thick angled liner. I'm not winging it. I'm just blending it into the outer V. This was inspired by Taylor Made Jane. If you don't know who she is, just check her out on Instagram. And now I wanted to deepen that just a little bit more. So I'm using NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner going over it. And then I'm going to set it now with the matte black shade by Sephora. And now I'm taking, this is a silver liquid liner by Ruby Kisses. You can get it from your local beauty supply store. And I'm just going along the cut crease. And I'm getting my lashes ready for the falsies, and I'm just adding a little mascara to them. And voila. Now let's clean up the face. This is the same as in all of my other videos. I am now priming my face using Maybelline's Baby Skin Primer, Pore Eraser, I'm sorry. And this is Urban Decay's Deep Peach Corrector. And I use it to kind of conceal my lines, my bag lines under the eye and my upper lip that has a little discoloration. Now I'm going over that with Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in number 30. This is Cafe. And now I'm taking Maybelline Strobe Stick, and I'm just going over everywhere I want to place my highlighter just to intensify the glow. So I always bring it on my cheekbones and on my temple areas, the center of the forehead, the chin, the Cupid's bow, and down the bridge of the nose. Now I'm taking my Smashbox Stick Foundation. This is a 2-in-1. This is foundation plus contour stick. Placing that all over. And I will begin first with working the foundation into the skin. This foundation goes on like butter. Now I'm highlighting using the same as what I cut the crease. This is Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. Now let's work that in using my Elsie sponge. I like this sponge because it is angled. The tip is angled and it can get right into the corners of the eyes really well. So once we're done blending, now I want to set that highlighter in place. And yes, I'm using Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Everywhere I placed that concealer, I am going over it and setting it with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And now this is the contour side of the foundation stick. And what I'm doing now is I'm bringing that color back into the skin. And of course, the contour also slims down the face. And now I want to blend it seamlessly, so I use that foundation brush with no extra added product just to blend it into my forehead, my hairline, I'm sorry. Now let's shape the nose. Bring that contour down the bridge of the nose. This is slimming it down, giving you that nose job look without having surgery. And now I'm ready to bronze the skin. I first go over the contour with MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in Deepest Dark, Dark Deep, whichever way you want to say it. Everywhere I place that contour, I'm working that powder in. And now I'm going over it, setting it with my CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer. And that look was because I am starting to hit pan. Now it's time to restock. Now I'm working this down the bridge of the nose using LA Colors medium to dark contour palette. Now let's carve out those cheekbones using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And now for the blush, this is MAC's Raisin. And of course, one of my faves, this is Fenty Beauty's Hustler Baby on the Glow. Everywhere I placed the strobe stick, the Maybelline strobe stick, going over it with the Hustler Baby. And now it's time for the under eye, doing the same thing that I did on top, starting with that deepest rust color, then deepening and working the black on top of that. And now this is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean that I'm working into the waterline. And of course, I always add my shimmer in the inner tear duct. Now for a little mascara on the lower lashes. Now for the lippy, this is just a bold brown lip liner from the local beauty supply store. It kind of gives you just a natural lip line. And then now this is Joe Michelle's, and this is Patois that I am placing onto the lips. And now let's set it in place. MAC's Fix Plus setting spray, and voila. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support during this 2018. I want to wish each of you a happy, prosperous, and blessed New Year, and continue to stay tuned for more from the enhancer, that's me, of Enhanced Beauty. So happy New Year. Thank you. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.